What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to make a quick video because I ran into something a little unusual. Pretty much this is a no cooling call. Came out here. I always have the habit of, as soon as I'm up here, before I even start taking off panels, I just kind of stick my hand above the fan. I don't know, it's like a habit to see if I feel hot air, right? And I didn't. It was running, but I felt no hot air. No air at all. Then I put my hand on the backside of the, coils, and I was feeling hot air back here. And I'm like, okay, that's definitely not right. These units suck in the air this way and blow it out the top end. So, I'm like, well, that's really strange because it's still the original motor. So it's not like somebody put in a motor and, didn't put the for it to spin the correct way because it's the original motor. I checked the run cap. The run cap was bad, and I put a new one on, and the thing actually starts spinning the right way. I just found that unusual. I believe I've had a similar scenario, but it was years ago, so it's just something to keep an eye out for. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm going to see if the homeowner would like me to also replace the outdoor fan motor while I'm here and while it's under warranty still. So even though this unit looks like it's not under warranty, it looks older, but just they don't put great finishing touches on these particular Goodmans, but that's a different subject. But I believe you check it out, it's actually still under warranty. Just this Arizona Sun, it's only from 2013, so it's like 9 years old. Wait, no, yeah, from 2013. So 9 years old, but it looks like it's 20. But anyways, that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out. Maybe if you encounter something similar to that, let me know in the comment section. That'd be kind of cool to know if it's actually a common thing with Goodmans or a specific brand of motors, because I don't see that often. So all right, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.